So clinical negligence is sometimes known as medical negligence, and it's accidents or incidents that have happened within the medical setting. This could be from your GP, hospital staff or dentist, and it's when someone has suffered an avoidable injury as a result of the medical treatment that they have received. I think that the common sort of way that people view us as ambulance chasers, we are actively seeking out work, which is not the case. We deal with relatively few clients that have suffered major injuries, and it's not because of their own fault. They haven't done anything. They've gone in, they've put their faith in a doctor or a surgeon, which we all have to do, and something's gone wrong. And when that happens, we have to investigate and we have to try and get some accountability, and hopefully that mistake will not happen to someone else again. Clinical negligence cases are actually quite complex, and they involve a lot of time and also a lot of money to investigate, and our clients don't necessarily have that knowledge to be able to do what needs to be done. And our role is to be their voice. It's to help them at a time which is maybe a very distressing time, they're in pain, they're in discomfort, and it's to advocate for them and to help them the best that we can.
In the cases when we do our investigations, a big part of those investigations are from medical experts who are actually working professionals. So they assist us with what we are trying to achieve for our clients.
Well, once we have supportive expert evidence, we then contact the defendant, so the person who's provided that treatment, and we provide them with a very detailed letter of what we feel has been incorrect in our client's treatment. And we allow them time to investigate and respond to that. Depending upon their response will depend on how we go forward from there, but it could be trying to mediate, negotiate with them to reach an outcome. In some cases, if we're not able to do that, then we might need to issue court proceedings in order to help us resolve the claim.
It is very satisfying knowing that you've helped someone, especially when they've been through such a traumatic experience.
The biggest misconception about our job is that we are the enemy of the medical profession. This is simply not the case. Very often the money that we receive for our clients is for care and treatment that they need as a result of what has gone wrong in their medical treatment. And many of our clients need care either now or in the future to be able to have a meaningful life. It's not about blaming an individual or an organisation. It's about getting what our client needs to move forward.
They can take quite a long time to investigate and conclude, which of course does mean they can be quite costly to run. And we appreciate that not every person is going to be able to privately finance their claim, which is absolutely fine. There are various different funding options available for clinical negligence cases. Here at Dutton Gregory, we can look into offering you a conditional fee agreement, which is what you might know as a no-win, no-fee agreement. We do also look into whether you have any other alternative funding options, such as legal expenses insurance through an insurance policy you may have, such as household insurance. We appreciate that funding is a big concern to people that want to bring claims, and we go through this very thoroughly with you and ensure that you are happy before signing any paperwork with us.